Anar mala kenyam biya kamal ka Noor online TV channel mal we kaya ler balin gwasa me rany mishalat ka Eastern Equatoria MP ni kene tin that ka parliamentary ke parliament mentere which ke Equatoria state ka Juba dol nan chikan dol jan ban lingo ke jan gwasa me kana ta danen chikan lat ke jan MPs tentere which ka South Sudan tinte ka Eastern Equatoria ko chakba bab ka Eastern Equatoria karodian chikane ten la tuok ka kur ka kwi hok chikan ka kwi jar kene de content che ban wedien ten content chaok chaga nong da wedien chikan ka kwi jar chit ka den ka bor ko chi den ka bor chok chaka nangan winemi ka chikor cho tuok ban jalin ker madan chikan lat ko agor kono ngumi chikan ladano ngai kon lerin kon kan kalat kan ko la kwarn winimi gwade dane bu kor ko to gaja cha ngaje no ne di jojen ngwan yuri kele te wich ti chanak ka ke ko ala ka din kabor ne me ko la dola chikan dol kan de kon la MPs ne ji quartera ka chan ka ngwan ka jok kan dol ke latin tere parliament ka South Sudan ka Eastern Equatoria ka Juba tilla JS Equatoria ka muktaf transitional legislative assembly chicken courtin konen to ketin non ka kwihok chicken ga kwedjar ko akani kanokten kontin shanang rewit ka Equatoria jijongle gwan mi chicken ladano wishi murleni chicken jok chicken kamak ka shuga nok to chicken kanang kana kan chicken ka kwedjar chicken ladano bending ka bor tin jen re wich ka jongle ka shika wa re wich ka isi kotria kane janong korimo ka janong baok ba ka pech ka janong ba bel ba ka chamo kono ka janong ba kwak ba ka kwal ka janong ba men ba ka dum gwar nyet tiene ka janong ba dul ba ka wango ne bane ka janong ba jiwitung wan ba ka jochi dor kenen kontin tekaten shikara jame chikana kwen ka dobran kana lakja kana din kabur natin kontin ta ko no kana natin kontin ma kana kwich kana ka dobran kan lakja jen kana kwich ne natin kontin tin marketing kabur jen dobran kan lakja baje kwen ya ka dobran kan lakja gwas me kana de kontin la je Eastern Equatoria wargaji kana gorone biaje shulim the Eastern Equatoria State Parliamentary Caucus in the Transitional National Legislative Assembly on Thursday condemned the cattle raid and attack and the displacement of civilians in Makwi County. The lawmakers say the presence of the header from Jonglei State and the aftermath of last week's cattle raid led to the destruction of farmland, looting of property, raping of women and girls, the burning of houses, and the displacement of civilians in Aru, Ame, Oboma, Nyolo, Ayi, Jok Oki, Shomboro, Lowo, Agoro, and Lofira in Makwi and Torit counties. Addressing a press conference in Juba on Thursday, the chairperson of the Eastern Equatoria Parliamentary Caucus, Julius Ajo Molinga, said the attacks by the header after the raid resulted in the displacement of civilians with women and children bearing the brunt. The Dinka Burkhatar header were attacked by unknown. The Dinka Burkhatar header were attacked by unknown assailant, causing significant distress among the residents, leading to loss of life and property and exacerbating tension in an already volatile situation. Can Dinka bore near America, Canada Quiska. Near General Liu Kedi. Mean Mark Kennedy Quiska, Nader Nako, Kianok, Kin DH. ajen lan and jack along the week so ran ko ba mangai ke metwok michi kormo twok je benaro le no dong ken kormo etele kormo je twok ke china lute ne ka kwa ke ne content makana ngai kana gwa ka ngane. Okay, one of other. These either were sophisticated weapons like Doshka, RPGs, AK-47, and others military hardware typically intended for national defense, display all characteristic and behavior of well-trained paramilitary or militia group with scorched earth strategic tendencies. They make us to conclude that this is a matter of grave concern. Kan bangin ngan jeseni ko re kan ne re ko la ji ho jel gan ke me din tin ti long to RPG ne ten te dosh kan ne ten te AK-47 te ten lo kan ne ti pan ke ne ke din kan kan to ne ten konan ma ke din ka bor quick ken ke. The lawmakers say the invasion by the Dinka-Bor header and large-scale immigration to forcefully occupy another state is significant escalation of conflict, and so they send sympathies to the relative and friend of those who lost their loved ones and properties. Lelgan lad gwazmen o isha jingoni shiken lad o Dinka-Bor tadire wujin winamiki kotoria no ngarik mdira long nyok lelkan massive condolence lelkan la jaka chi loida chi jada long kan naga danan chan nak Dinka-Bor ne kon la jihok sharod lingwaz me gwa kan ne kon en gwarna me ko at the same time chila laro ne ti kwai ne nak nyok bele nyok lar no Dinka-Bor tadire wujin gwata moni no ngarik tungwan ka janone kan quick ne kon na kan Dinka-Bor. He appealed to humanitarian agencies to urgently assist all the affected, especially the women, the disabled, the elderly, and the children. Molinga called on the government to continue protecting property and defending the affected people, regardless of their ethnicity or state of origin. He also demanded that the national and the state government urgently investigate the incident. Magui County lawmakers Betty Achan Ogwaro say civilians in 3 villages have been displaced and their house and livelihood destroyed. I can tell you the wool of Nyolo, Shomboro, and Agoro village are displaced. Native Wheaton Corn and Chawoj, Tinchajo, Tinchaji, and Chawoj. And their house were burned down. Nakacha Dwilken Chakawang, Wanka Kwinguka. The people are scared because they are being told the Dinkabo were coming to Tori to revenge. Oh, recently. So ne ngwanti dwal gwad me ko chawo bidin kabor bika ben bikan na benak nake da chan ka wai re dial tigre ju barga kem. So imagine lar kan gwad me tel ne tiji din kabor nak nyoka at the same time kan ne din kabor ben bika na benak. So they know definitely that no mutu ogo ne no chi murlene kan ji ko tra chi ko rodian mat jan naga da naka din kabor. Equator County Representative Grace Abalang say at least 26 civilians from Eastern Equatorial State lost their life during incident. Eka ne jandang road bakal ke Eastern Equatorial laji ko ne jandang road bakal chigalu. Angun nakamo. While government infrastructure was destroyed, kacha dwell den kono la dwell kuma chaka dak. Why? Angun nak ji Eastern Equatorial ne jandang road bakal ke kanet kan ne kenutin ke ken kuki ne kono naka. Tinang na atinak din kabur. So nyo dia go anu mare so da na ne lokos me larga me la kach ka ngai ge che tuo nama de gu je na moni kai ke lu no ngari no ngalia gwa ba de kan ngwa de kan kala da gwa 26 people died 14 from Lofra alone. The Dinkapur came and found those people dancing and they shot them killing 26 echi kidinga boro che ben je kan ke lo shuang ka kan ji ko tra kwa no ka shu kan e je ndak red bakal kan shu nak lo te gwa ngar ka later alone those who were yet to be accounted for Abalang said a chi ne de kon ndong cha ko ne je nang red bakal ka tin kon cha tin cha kon tin kan kon fan ken ne kan wan ka. Representative of the Dinka Boer headed could not immediately be reached to comment on this Equatorial State lawmaker statement. Kanaji Dinka Boer kan naro ke chawno de naro ke Ramadan and la Korean wa kan kajek kan naro ke. So this is what happen all the time. La dungo ka South Sudan be jama ta nyok mi Dinka Boer si kanore wejin bi mi lo bi kan now nak jale kan ko ken. lekan oken au kam de na ro mat anyok ke dola ke chi ke dol so me gurien na ngan istor ni ken kon chalat dole ken te chi tuonga nyam kon rai ni ken ken nyam ke ji ka kwar chu ka na ju ko no ba nyen kun ba ka yor pin mi chi ho ko chi ken bel kun ken ga cham ka pin bo ya da lo tele bel ten ko pin ko no still kan ji ko ra kan gana na kan yo gordin ka ju kan yo gore jim murleni kan sam ko ran use the la militia ko bikan din ka bor bikan ka jochra so name aja result ndaran chet ben ko ken ni kana condemn so chine gor no dong te ko le to ko kwok so jan nan to kum so sudan gore jan o dar mu ko dar jar yal ka kwok ke ka kwinen ko tin la ok na la kanang ka ke ka kwi jal ne biata ma